Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I got another new box and he's seen better days. Yeah, he's seen better days, but you know, when you come over from Scotland, sometimes things might happen to you along the way. But this is Heartbox. It is from Scotland. And they bring you the best of Scotland anywhere in the world. So they ship anywhere in the world, you guys. So for my watchers from outside the US or outside Scotland, this boxes can get to you. It is 35 pounds and shipping was I'm gonna say dollars, £8.50. No, I don't think I'm saying that right. But in USD, it was $59. That includes the shipping from Scotland, which I think is pretty good. So the items are locally sourced and ethically. And you also might get something personalized in your box. And they always give you a Scottish recipe. This box, I was able, there is a tartan, and you got to pick what color you wanted your item to be. I think there was a red, there might even been a yellow. So let's dive in. Now this is a monthly box, and let's see. So it's very well sealed. So they, want to make sure that, oh, here we go, that it just doesn't pop open. Okay, so it does say from Scotland with love, way down here. Okay. So this box presents a legacy of tartan. So we're going to put that aside because I'm assuming it has the items in it. Okay, so always packed well. Well, how do I know it's always packed well? It's the first time I've got the box. My assumption it is. But we got some goodies, you guys. Tunox real milk chocolate caramel wafer biscuits 4-pack. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just want to dive in here. But the bad thing is I know, like, if I open them, then we have to eat them all because they might go stale. Oh, biscuits. Oops. Yeah, okay. Then we got two. Well, let me make sure. There we go. Well, oh gosh, don't break it, Terry. Ouch. Okay. I will have to look. I'm not sure if these supposed to be bows for your hair? Or is it bow ties? I've never seen what a bow tie on the back looks like. So we'll have to look. But where I was wanting to be. 1 second. But where I was wanting to be careful is back here. See that? So this is just like hot glue attached there. So you got to be very careful because I think this could easily come off. So I was wanting to be careful, but not put my fingers in there because there was a couple little sharper things. But these are cute. I need to see if they're bows for the hair or this. I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming bows for the hair because why would we get two? But those are really cute. And then we got a pen. And this, let's see here. It is Royal Stewart is the design. And the brand is D&C Supplies out of the UK. Like that. And this is what, so we did have to pick a color. What I got, so I thought the color I picked was actually this item, but this is not the color I picked. I'm pretty sure I picked a lavender or a purple. But here is, so this is Leather Guild Heritage woven in Millig Tweed woven in Scotland. And there's this Teflon, okay? So it's a key and coin purse, red tweed, brown leather. And the front, it says 100% wool. So this is really nice. I like the little hook that you have right there. And open. Okay. Some more. So here is, you could do your key. How is that? That is really interesting, guys. All right, so this on the inside is the key thing, but I guess you keep your key out like this, or you just keep your key in here like this, I guess. But there is a zipper on the inside. Well, hold on. There we go. Okay, so you've got that pocket there, and then you close and you've got that. And then on the front here, you've got that section there too. So that's a nice little coin purse. And you know, the color is growing on me. It is, it's growing on me. I'm liking that. Okay, and then we have one more item in the bottle, or in the box. And this is, I think, where my color choice went, because there's some purple in there. So this is Islander, established in 2010, reusable travel mug. And it has a silicone grip band and a lid added for practicality. And made from bamboo fiber, BPA free, rinse with warm, soapy water before use, dishwasher safe, not microwave safe. So let's open this up. So yes, this must have been my choice of color. And I like that color. I would have loved that color in this. But I do like this color. Let's open. Oh, so it is a silicone lid as well. And this cup. So I'm gonna take the days that I go in. Super cute. So, okay, so let's check out this pamphlet here. So it tells us the tartan in focus, the story of Black Watch. So that must be this tartan color. Is Black Watch? Okay. So those of you that might know for certain, definitely correct me. So it says, what's inside? Leather Guild tartan and leather coin purse. So these were the colors. So maybe I picked the blue, or maybe I was thinking I was picking the color for this. Oh no. So I don't know what the heck I picked the color for, you guys, because here is the different varieties of these mugs. And I didn't get this many varieties. So maybe I was pretty sure I picked purple, but maybe they weren't able to get the purple. Or maybe I picked purple and it's for next month. I don't know. But yeah, so we've got, they said it's the Kuthi pen. And then we got the Islander tartan reusable mug. We've got the caramel wafers. We've got the Black Watch tartan bows. Clip them to shoes, shirts, bags, or even your pet's collar to carry a piece of our legacy wherever you go. I like that. I like that a lot. And then they go through the anatomy of the tartan. So they're actually teaching us a little bit about their Scottish history, like that. And then here's our recipe, you guys. Summer cloutie, cloutie, dumpling slices wrapped in tartan, it says. So it's a fresh take on the traditional cloutie dumpling. This summer-inspired version is lighter, fruiter, and perfect for warmer weathers. So it looks like it's got flour, breadcrumbs, brown sugar, mixed dry fruits. It's got some less zest of orange and lemon, and then some ginger, another mixed spice, egg, golden syrup, or heather honey, and then some milk. I might have to have my husband make that this weekend. And then we have the Heartboxer of the month. I'm not sure what that is. And they also have a word of the month. And then we have the Legacy to Tartan. So, Clowmore. It's the Great Cloth. Oh, I'm definitely not saying it right because it says the Gaelic name for the mighty tartan plaids that Highlanders wore for warmth, battle, and belonging. So I definitely am not saying this right. So, and then it says exclusive upgrades if you want a little extra. So I'm not sure what that is. But, okay. So this box with shipping was $59. We're paying for it to come over from Scotland, okay? So for this, oh goodness, for what we got, knowing that it shipped from Scotland, and you are getting a little bit of their traditions, their history, right now it is worth it to me to continue because I want to see what else they are going to send me and what else I'm going to experience. So this box was a win as well, you guys. So remember, they ship internationally, so if you want to go check them out, it is the Heartbox of Scotland. So, all right, guys, I hope you are having a great time, and we will see each other again soon. Bye, everyone.